says, Ted, can you explain why this software can skyrocket any MLM business? Not just MLM, but any business overall as a whole, is because now what I can do is I can utilize this for any company, any solution, anything that you're seeing here on the screen. And one thing you'll notice through the screen is that we didn't put a bunch of fancy branding or a bunch of stuff for our company in it. We've kept it really generic for a reason, because you're going to want to push your brand and your name and your page or whatever business you're going to want to push. So if I'm in an MLM business, or I'm in any business that's out there today, the ability to have someone come in and to be able to take their overall branding or their page that they have, and to be able to go in and to build their page without knowing any technical knowledge, and to have this viral connotation on being able to have a permission-based authorized system, because this is a Facebook approved application. And I want to reiterate that it's a Facebook approved application, but this is in no way associated or approved. We're not in cahoots with Facebook. Facebook is not part of our company. We're not part of Facebook. What you do is, when you build applications, you utilize guidelines that are set out by Facebook. It's similar to where if you're going to build an app for a phone and you're going to go to the iPhone, you're going to go to the apps store as an example. You have to use specific guidelines. You have to have it approved. You have to submit that up where people can buy and utilize that. We have this application that has been approved by Facebook for us to be able to use. So I do want to throw that disclaimer out there so there's no misconstruing our association with Facebook, which there is no association other than this application has been approved by them. And that's real important, because we don't want people out there on the internet saying that, hey, we're in cahoots with Facebook, and Facebook, we're tied to all their members and all their people and all their management and stuff. It's just not the case. We, again, have a relationship from an approved application. Which is great for us, and we're very, very happy that we've been able to have this application, which is very unique and very different, and have it approved by them. But going back to the point that if I'm a marketing person and we're going to show you in any business, and even an MLM, how to use social media to promote a brand or to be able to utilize it, and we're going to train you, and we're going to allow you to have really cool graphics and to stand out that you've got so people are interested in communicating with you. And then you can utilize this to, again, communicate with people that know, like, and trust you that you have. And it's all permission-based. What a fantastic system. To give you another good real example, go out to Coca-Cola today. Go to Coca-Cola's page and see how many fans they have on their page. Wait about 30 seconds and hit the refresh button, and you'll notice that the number increases on Coca-Cola. You'll notice the same thing that Coca-Cola, Red Bull, any of the big companies have really noticed that it's a really great way to be able to communicate with people that know, like, and trust you. If they believe that, they can do that, they can know, like, and trust you, you're a good resource for different things, they like your overall product. What better way to post up a wall post and communicate with all those people all at once, and to be able to show them what really great products and services and things you have? There's no other better mechanism, and that's why almost every commercial, at least here in the United States, why if I'm sitting there with my wife, at the end of every commercial, almost every one of them ends in a Facebook link or advertisement to go to the Facebook page. It isn't always LinkedIn. It isn't always to go to my Twitter page. It's Facebook. And the reason why is because it's an easy-to-use, permission-based system that is easy to communicate with all people, and it's really a great way to push out media. So I think that for any company, not just MLM, but for any company or any individual that wants to build a brand individual for themselves, and a way to communicate, it's one of the best mediums that's out there today. Said, what can a